And you understand why you're locked up now, right?
Yes, I do.
And you understand what I'll do if you mess up.
Yes, I do.
We're clear on that, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously had a PR, I will give him $5,000 personal recognizance bond.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Daniel Keener.
Hey, listen, how you doing? Your Honor.
Public Defender Davi Leba on behalf of Mr. Keener. Mr. Keener, can you state your name, sir? Thank you, Your Honor. Discovery is not complete. However, I would like to set for preliminary examination. There is a small item of body cam we are missing. I've discussed with Mr. Keener. He understands and no adjournment would be available.
Right. All right. There are a couple of things, and normally, counsel, I would set this for exam, just indicating that you couldn't object if if that piece of evidence is not available and exculpatory, and there wouldn't be the basis for the adjournment. Problem I have in this case, sir, is that the piece of evidence that's missing are allegedly your statements, which I think your counsel should see before making the decision about an exam and what to do and how to proceed. All right. There's also another issue regarding, and I won't get into it, but a issue that could affect this also. So the court, for those reasons, is going to find good cause not to set it for preliminary examination. I'll adjourn the probable cause, but I'm only going to put it out 1 week, sir.
The missing evidence here isn't some random detail. It's the defendant's own statements. The judge says defense needs to see that first before any real decision gets made.
Okay, so it won't delay you significantly. Probable cause will be set then for July 9th, 2026.
Your Honor, Ms. Keener would like me to address bond.
Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. So Mr. Keener has explained to me he does have an address in Ypsilanti. He gets stated for lease. His brother resides there. We would have no objection to home confinement. He also has informed me that he's spoken to reentry about finding his own place, their assistance upon release. He understands very thoroughly that he may not have any contact with complaining witness in any way whatsoever, direct or indirect. He's also explained to me that he feels that he's at risk of losing his job unless he's able to have a meeting with his employer. He does work security at Toyota R&D, which indicates to me this a very good job. He's concerned with regard to losing.
I think part of the reason we're here, go ahead, responsible to people.
Especially for Mr. Keener, was remanded previously for that no contact violation after the man calls the victim after being arraigned. So I would have my concerns for as well aware what is currently going on in this case. So I'll move to the discretion of the court.
So the place is going to be to his brother,
It's my cousin. That's where I was.
cousin.
Cousin, your brother.
That's my cousin. That's where I was before.
And you understand why you're locked up now, right?
Yes, I do.
And you understand what I'll do if you mess up.
Yes, I do.
We're clear on that, right?
Yes, sir.
Previously had a PR, I will give him $5,000 personal recognizance bond. However, there will be a GPS. He's to report to community corrections for a GPS home confinement tether.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
You don't take it out, you do have to wait for it. Emphasize. Think about it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know what? Just one other thing. Since he's going to be out, I'm going to adjourn this out 2 weeks. 16th, okay?
Your Honor.
Okay, and here's this gentleman's case. Do you know, what's your name?
Ivan Hurtado. Ivan Hurtado.
Did we give you a lawyer today?
He's still taking care of things right now.
What does he look like?
African American.
Okay. All right. Okay, good enough.
6 separate case files against one person, a missed sentencing, a missed show cause, a missed pre-trial. Even the judge pauses and says, wow, I need to go through this whole record.
A lot of files here. Amy Diane Brown, 25B 149-845. A. 25B 149-845. B. 25B 149-845. C. 25T 645-864A and B. And then 25T 6464808. Wow. All right, what do we got here, Mr.
Record, John Gaussian, on behalf of Amy Diane Brown. I guess
I don't know what we're doing on this one.
what's happened, Judge, is this stuff is she was in treatment, and I have the other.
Your name, ma'am?
Amy Diane Brown.
What do you,
May I approach the
no, you don't have to. Just tell me when she was in.
Judge? She was in the treatment program between February 27th of this year to May 6th, and several days ago she received an mail, and she wanted to address this issue.
Wow.
She apologized. She was set for a sentencing, Judge, and I asked her why she didn't. Well, she thought they were by the treatment center, and she knows that didn't take place.
Wow. He's Brown. Let's see which one's been adjudicated. Judge Heston never sentenced you on 25T 646-480A. I sentenced you on 25T 645-864B. But then you failed to appear for a show cause on May the 11th. And then Judge Heston's, you failed to appear on February 25th for a pretrial, it looks like. Heather, if I'm making any mistake on any of these, you tell me. And then it looks like you were supposed to be here for a sentencing on February 19 of 26. And then it looks like you didn't pay your fines from 25B 149-845B. You didn't show up on May the 11th. And then here we are again on another case, 25B 149-845A.
Basically, she was going through a very difficult period prior to getting into the treatment program. In fact, as you're well aware, it takes normally several weeks to a month at least to get any one of these treatment programs, particularly in southeastern Michigan. Shame on Ms. Brown, Lisa Brown, for not addressing this earlier, but there she is. And again, we're asking for mercy. We don't have any excuses for the dates in which she wasn't in treatment. She is a caregiver for her mom and dad. She actually lives out in Belleville. And
You know how many court dates you've missed?
I didn't realize that. I have the 11th one, or I would have been here.
I thought she was still
I
in treat.
changed the address.
I thought you were still in treat.
I got out May 6th.
she got out on May 6th, Judge.
They did have the wrong address on file. So I changed it when I got here to the correct address.
How old are you?
50.
It's been a rough life. She had mental abuse in her marriage. She
I was in a car accident in 2019 and my back was broken severely bad. And I had almost broken half. I had severe chest trauma and I had a long period of sobriety.
Let's do this.
let's see that.
Heather, I'm going to reschedule her case for sentencing in front of Judge Hess. on file 25T6464808. So I need a sentencing date on that case. This is out of.
I believe there should have been a cover sheet on each set of files with dates.
This one's going to be June the 11th at 10:15. On the Brownstown case in front of me, that's going to be rescheduled to June 18th. June the 18th. Ma'am, you got to show up. You do this again, I don't care what the reason. I'm going to lock you up. And you're going to be waiting a while. Do we understand one another?
This,
June the 18th at 10:15 on 25B149845. C on 25T645864B. That's a show cause. We'll reset the show cause for that same date.
She missed court because she was in treatment, but the judge makes it clear no more excuses from here on out. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe.
June 18 at 10:15. I'm going to also schedule my Trenton case 25T645864A. Reset the contempt hearing. What was I saying on those, Heather? June 18th.
It was June 18th at 10:15.
Yeah, at 10:15. Then on the other case in front of me, the Brownstown case, I'll just set that for Jesus.
I believe I put June 18th for all of ours.
June 18th at 10:15. Ma'am, stop this nonsense, will you please?
yes, I only learned that.
Judge in defense.
I'm going to reschedule all these in my docket for June 18th at 10:15. Is that what I've been doing, or did I move a time?
No, I believe that's what we were doing, June 18th at 10:15.
I'm going to give you a personal bond on all of mine. I'm going to give you a personal bond on Judge Hesson's. Maybe you're trying. I'm going to assume you are. If you're not, shame on me. So, Heather, just give her a personal bond on all these. I'm not going to go through all these. I got 6 files here. If she does this again, she's going to be sitting in jail for a long time. Give them your new address. I don't want to hear any more excuses, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck. Personal bond, $1,000 on each voice. Thank you very much. All right. Who do I have on this one? Arthur Dilbert Cornell. Is he here?
No, that's just, you just gotta sign it.
Oh, yeah, I already took this one.
So, second.
I already did sign it.
Oh,
Yeah, I already signed it.
did you?
Yeah, right on the bottom here.
Oh. Heather, he already signed it.
Yeah, I signed that one. That
I
was
wasn't
done.
sure. That was the one I had you take over to Luther. I don't know those sheets on those.
Okay.
Okay.